The 10-foot propane hose with ACME fitting connects portable appliances to 20-pound propane tanks. The hose features a male ACME connection. Here we have a buddy heater in a 20-pound propane tank. First, connect this ACME fitting to the propane tank. Just hand tighten this connection. Then connect the hose to the regulator on your portable appliance. Slowly turn on the tank and watch for the hose to charge with fuel before fully opening the tank. You should always check for leaks in your connection with a soapy water mixture. Check out all the campsite accessories at MrHeater.com.